Hi, third graders. The letter you're going to be working on today is the capital Z in cursive handwriting. This letter has 2 steps. Start at the top line, go all the way to the bottom line. This is step 1. This part going past the bottom line and ending at the middle line is step 2. 1, 2. Step 1, step 2. You are going to trace and try each of these letter Z's. Then trace and try the words that begin with the letter Z. They are Zurich, Zion, Zibo, Ziggy, Jaja, and Zippy. There are also 2 sentences for you to trace and try. Zeus is in Zanesville. Zadar Zoo is closed.